Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about instance variable in Java. So what is instance variable? Okay, let's understand first and then we'll see in the code. Okay, if the value of a variable is varied from object to object, then it is called instance variable. Okay, this is our student class. We have two variables here and we created few objects for this class and we are using some different values, so the values are being changed based on the object. So whenever the value of a variable getting changed based on the object, then it is called instance variable. In this object we are basically using the value of this two variable, right? So the value of this two variable is changing based on the object. So that's the point, like whenever the value of the variable is gonna change from object to object, then it is called instance variable. So the next point is, for every object a separate copy of instance variable will be created. This is just a theory. Next point is, instance variable should be declared inside the class but outside of method or block or constructor. Okay, the instance variable must need to be declared inside of class but outside of constructor, methods or blocks. Okay, so this is another point. Next point is, we can't access instance variable directly from static area. So if we have static method or static block, we can't directly access an instance variable because instance variables are related to the object and statics are not related to the object. Okay, so the next point is, um, but we can access instance variable by using object reference. Okay, if we create an object for this class, we can access these instance variable by using the object reference. For example, we have a couple of objects in here, so we are using the first object reference variable to call one of the instance variable. So we are being able to call this variable in our main method by using the reference of this object. So that's another point. And the next point is, we can access instance variable directly from instance area. Again, we are able to access instance variable directly from instance area. Okay, rather than creating object, if you want to access these instance variable, you are able to access these variables from an instance area. It can be instance method or it can be an instance block. So we have a method here which is instance method. As you can see here, this is our instance method, right? We are accessing these two variable inside this method. So this is our last point. I think we can access instance variable directly from instance area.